Mastering Vocabulary and Grammar for TOEFL Success. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our series on TOEFL preparation. Today, we'll delve deep into a crucial part of acing the TOEFL speaking section, understanding the importance of vocabulary and grammar. Whether you're aiming for a high score or just looking to improve your general English skills, this video is for you. Vocabulary isn't just about knowing a lot of words. It's about using the right words in the right context. In the TOEFL speaking section, a broad and appropriate vocabulary can 1. Enhance clarity. Using the appropriate vocabulary helps convey your ideas more clearly and makes your arguments sound more convincing. 2. Demonstrate proficiency. A varied vocabulary can showcase your language skills and understanding. 3. Reduce repetition. By knowing different ways to express the same idea, you avoid sounding repetitive and monotonous. Remember, it's not about using complex words but using the right words. Grammar is the foundation upon which your language skills are built. Here's why it's essential for the TOEFL speaking section. 1. Fluency. Proper grammar usage ensures that your speech flows smoothly, making it easier for the listener to follow your thoughts. 2. Accuracy. Correct grammar usage prevents misunderstandings and misinterpretations. 3. Confidence. Knowing you're using the correct structures can boost your confidence during the test. A small grammar mistake can change the meaning of a sentence, so accuracy is key. While vocabulary and grammar are both crucial, it's essential to strike a balance. Here are some tips. 1. Practice in context. When learning new words, practice using them in sentences. This not only helps reinforce vocabulary but also improves grammar. 2. Avoid overcomplicating. While it's tempting to showcase all the fancy words you know, always prioritize clarity over complexity. 3. Review and practice. Regularly review both vocabulary and grammar rules. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use them, the more naturally they'll come to you during the test. Remember, the TOEFL test is about understanding and communication, so always focus on clear and accurate expression. That wraps up our discussion on the importance of vocabulary and grammar for the TOEFL speaking section. Always remember that both are essential tools in your language arsenal. Use them wisely, practice regularly, and you'll be well on your way to TOEFL success. Until next time, keep learning and practicing.